To enable or disable battery protection on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, scroll down a little bit and then go to the battery settings. Once you open battery settings, we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and then over here we can go to the battery protection in here. Of course, the battery protection itself can be easily toggled just by tapping on the switcher, but the battery protection has two options to choose from. We have the basic battery protection and the maximum battery protection. In the case of the basic protection, we can also enable the sleep time protection in here, but generally speaking, basic protection allows you to charge fully to 100%, but if you charge to 100% and if you keep the power adapter connected to the phone stops charging until it drops back to 95%. If it does, then it starts charging again. In the case of the maximum battery saver, you just set up a limit that cannot be exceeded. By default, it is 80%, so if you charge your phone, you will only be able to charge to 80%. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.